Hi, I'm Paul Talbot with RE/MAX Real Estate Central, welcoming you to 553 Wentworth Place Southwest. This immaculate home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, features central air conditioning and granite upgrades throughout. The basement was recently professionally developed and it has a beautifully landscaped yard. It's close to schools and shopping with easy access to boat trail. You'll love the large entrance to this home. The kitchen, dining room, and living room are an open concept. The living room is spacious with a gas fireplace to warm those chilly nights. The dining room can fit a large table. The kitchen has a convenient island and corner pantry. You'll love the window over the sink. The main floor also has an office, a powder room, and laundry. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms, a family bath, and a bonus room. The master has walk-in closet and 4-piece ensuite. The basement has a large family room, a 4th bedroom, and a 3-piece bath with shower. The yard is quite private with a spacious deck. Don't miss out on this incredible home. Visit CalgaryFamilyHomes.com for all the details, and contact your favorite realtor to view 553 Wentworth Place Southwest.